Hey, it's Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. I just finished another one of these NREX SD45T-2s. This one has Tsunami sound and all the LED lighting. And even though it's a B unit, he still wanted all the lighting in it. So why don't we take a look at this guy? And those ditch lights are custom finishing castings with the MU stands underneath them. And again, all custom detailed with the MU hoses, etc., wipers. Oh, sorry about that. Roof eye bolts, cut bars, pretty standard stuff. Marker light or classification light covers on the front and rear. And just shut off the ditch lights, and front, and ditch lights, and see if we can get a close-up of those castings there. There we go. There you go. Those are the ones with the MU stands underneath them. And the cab's just probably just not sitting quite right. Just need to adjust that. But it's fine otherwise. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.